In the past 1 year, I have generated over 300,000 quality lead using Facebook and Instagram ad. And in this video, I'm going to show you three specific funnels that I have used to generate all of this lead. Now, if you don't know what a funnel means, a funnel simply means the journey that you carry your customer from the time they see your advert till the time they become your customer. And I'm going to show you my best three funnels that I have used to generate this lead. The first one is advert to WhatsApp. What do I mean? This simply means that you run your advert and when people click on it, they chat you on your WhatsApp DM. This is one easy way to run advert without worrying about getting website, getting domain name, and all those technical things that end up discouraging you from running advert. So if you are starting out, if you are a newbie now, you can start by just running your advert directly to your WhatsApp DM. And the easiest way to do this is step one, you need to connect your Facebook page to your WhatsApp for business so that when you are running ad and you choose that page, the moment people click on the button of your advert, they land straight to your WhatsApp DM. That is how easy it works. So if you are starting out and you don't want to go through the confusion or the techie of using websites, this is the funnel that I recommend. Mind you, if you are using this funnel, you are going to get a lot of unserious people to your WhatsApp, so you have to be prepared for it. The second type of funnel is advert, landing page, and your WhatsApp. So this is where you run advert and you introduce a landing page. A landing page is simply a one page on your website where you describe whatever you are offering. So if you're offering a free training, this is where you let them know what they are going to learn, the date of the training, how the training is going to go, some testimonial from people who have attended, and all of that. So when they see all of those things and they are still interested, they are going to click on the button on your landing page, then they will reach you on WhatsApp. By simply introducing your landing page, you are going to flush out on serious people so that people who will reach you on WhatsApp are people who are going to be serious. This is one secret I use to generate more quality lead. If you are using this funnel, you are going to be getting a slightly higher cost per lead than when you are using WhatsApp. And it's just a simple mathematics. You are now getting more quality lead for a higher cost. So this is just an easy way. And the third type of funnel is advert, landing page, and your email list. So this is where you run adverts. Instead of sending them to your WhatsApp, you send them to the landing page where they see everything around the offer. And then if they are interested, they will now put in their name and their email address to join your email list. Before then, you must have known that you have set up your email list the right way so that the moment they join your email list, your sequence will be triggered and they start receiving email from you. This one is more advanced. If you are starting out, this is not the funnel that I recommend because you end up being discouraged by setting up your website, setting up email list, paying for autoresponder and all of those techy stuff. But if you're already advanced, this is one landing page funnel that you can use for yourself, from advert to landing page to email list. Mind you, wherever I mentioned WhatsApp in this video, you can replace WhatsApp with Telegram if you want. I don't just like to use Telegram in 2025 more than I use WhatsApp. So I have noticed that using WhatsApp is more efficient and more highly converting for me and my business. But it doesn't have to be like that for you. You just need to test and see which one is working for you very well. For example, people that run adverts for crypto and forex, I see that Telegram works better for them. And that's what they use for themselves. So you just need to know which one is working for you and you stick to it. That's it. These are the top three funnels that I use all the time and it has never failed me. Is it that I'm using the first one, I'm using the second one, I'm using the third one. And as a bonus, I'm going to give you one last funnel, and that is to run adverts, send people to instant form on Facebook, and then you can send them wherever you want. Maybe your WhatsApp, your Telegram, or anywhere. But you need to collect their name and their email or their phone number using instant form. Instant form is a form that Facebook gives you. So this way you are not sending people outside Facebook to go and fill any form. They are already going to fill that form inside Facebook. And if you don't know how to create an instant form, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell because I'm going to do a detailed video that will show you exactly how I create instant form on Facebook. So these are the top funnels that I use for my business all the time.